What's going on? We're back. Should have a pretty cool night planned out for us tonight. We're heading up to Warrington. The Hatboro Cruisers have a little car show going on at the Valley Shops, I think it's called, or something like that. So we're gonna cruise up there. We're gonna be taking the Firebird out once again. Lamborghini's still getting service. Some of the parts are taking a little longer than expected, but we'll get into that later. We'll do a whole nother video on that when I get it back and what the issue was and things like that. But for now, we'll start cruising up there. I'm gonna be meeting my neighbor up and we'll cruise up there and see what kind of cars they got and go from there.
Beer truck back there. We also have frozen yogurt. We have drinks back there. The kids can and we have the 7 coffees and 4 drinks.
that was fun. Great turnout, lots of cool cars there. I hope you liked the video. On our drive home now, following my neighbor Frank in his Chevelle. So again, hope you liked the video. We'll catch you on the next one.